Aloha, friends. So, Papa Bear and Button Bear have been having fun with paper airplanes lately. Now, I'm just gonna preface this with the fact that I did make this, which is a style that my dad made when I was a kid. So we're gonna call it let's call it the Grandpa Stan plane. All right, so.
Although technically their names are Jerome and Jet, named after the characters in Super Wings.
Oh, okay.
Here. Now, mind you, with the exception of these designs have been developed with aesthetic criteria in mind rather than aerodynamic criteria. So who's to say if any of them will actually fly? We'll find out.
Okay, so just name them as you throw them.
Well, that was Jerome. He just dive bombed. This is Jet.
Here's the one Jet.
Nice. What's that one? What's that called?
This is Epic Sax Plane, named
Epic.
after the YouTube viral video. When he flies, he makes the sound.
All right, let's
fly.
Okay.
There goes flying.
Doot, 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 doot. Oh, score.
There goes
I don't think his nose is ever going to be the same.
There goes the leaf.
Wait, say the name of this one again. Say the
Okay,
name of
what
this
are
one
the-
again, Button Bear.
Leaf.
This is Leaf.
All right, let's see how Leaf goes.
Leaf doesn't really fly.
Oh, but it falls just like a leaf in fall, in autumn.
I guess the secret about how we developed that name is out of the bag, huh? All right. Oh,
It's not
oh,
just
that's
a-
Dart. Here, Button Bear. Show the camera Dart.
Okay, Button, do you want to throw it?
Yeah.
Okay, throw
Dart
Dart.
is the son of Epic Sax Plane. Same design, different size.
Nice.
Down.
This is Cyborg right here. I've loved this design ever since elementary school. I don't know why. It doesn't really fly very well. Well, that's actually kind of nice.
Aw, that was fun.
Okay. This is Tumble. Again, developed using aesthetic criteria. He looks cool, but does he fly?
But he tumbles to the ground.
Not so much.
So eloquently.
If I do something that's you, that maybe
This is Cece.
that maybe you can do, but you don't know how to do it. I can make him.
Button can actually make it
Nice.
fly without
Yeah.
tumbling. He's the only one.
You kind
This
of
is-
can.
This is Cece, your classic paper airplane. Hey, Button, show the camera Cece. Nice.
Nice.
This is Avanti.
Short for avant-garde.
Short for avant-garde, whose only purpose was to look unconventional. I
And you
hesitate to even
succeeded.
try and make Avanti fly.
I'm gonna try Grandpapa's stand here. Oh, did you find a real leaf?
And here comes the wingy, wingy, wing on the double.
Oh, there's one more?
Here's Wingy Wingy Wing. Wingy Wingy Wing flutters its wings. It doesn't glide. It's like a butterfly. Will it actually fly? Let's find out.
I can make it.
Not so much.
I guess depending on your interpretation of fly.
I'll show the
Nice
camera.
planes, guys.
Wingy, wingy, wing.
Woohoo! That was fun.